Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Shiba Inu from Uphold to Tangem Wallet in 2025. If you're holding Shiba Inu on Uphold and want to move it to your secure Tangem hardware wallet for better protection, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Uphold account with your Shiba Inu tokens, a set-up Tangem wallet, and its unique wallet address handy. Oh, and don't forget to have your Tangem device connected and unlocked for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Log in to your Uphold account via the app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and select the Shiba Inu token from your list of assets. It's usually under the cryptocurrencies section, easy to spot with its fun dog logo. Next, click on the Withdraw or Send option for Shiba Inu. This will prompt you to enter the destination details. Here, paste in your Tangem wallet address. Double-check this address because crypto transactions are irreversible. Think of it as a one-way street. Now, enter the amount of Shiba Inu you want to withdraw. Remember to account for any network fees, which might vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Uphold will show you a breakdown, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. It's like a bouncer at the door of your digital funds. After confirmation, sit back and wait for the transaction to process. Depending on the network, this could take a few minutes to an hour. And just like that, your Shiba Inu should now be safely in your Tangem wallet. In 2025, with evolving crypto tech, always stay updated on any platform changes. If you run into issues, check Uphold's Help Center or community forums. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.